The end result, the storm we had last night, I think it hit somewhere around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, somewhere along in there. Blew this limb down. Looks like part of it was rotten anyway. Of course, there's where it was at. Yeah, it was hollow in the middle. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can see it was kind of hollow, so probably wasn't going to be up there much longer anyway. I'd say damage probably from the 2009 ice storm we had. Probably done all this. So I'll get my chainsaw out here in a few minutes. Start cutting it up. I think the neighbor, he'll use it for firewood because I don't have anything that burns wood, my home. Oh well. Not too big of a deal. It'll probably take 15-20 minutes, somewhere along there, to cut it all up. I got a lot of it cut up, kind of taking a break. Anyway, I still have this big section to cut, and there's a couple limbs over here that I'm going to have to cut, and I'm going to cut that one down a little bit, and then I'm going to start hauling the brush off. Well, I'm actually going to start hauling it off to the brush pile now. Make the trek across the yard. There's probably an easier way to go about doing this. Oh well. Look at that sky. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to beat the weather. There's another storm in the neighboring county. Oh well, no more than I have left. I should make it. Alright. And of course, go back, pick up another handful, drag it back down. And before long, it'll be done. Alright, got all the brush. It's all cut up. Carried it over to my brush pile. Way over there. You probably can't see it. Sorry that I didn't get a chance to sorry that I didn't get a chance to show you while I was cutting this up. My chainsaw quit. My neighbor came over and helped me out. He finished it for me. So thankful for that. And he's coming back in a few minutes. He's taking the wood because he's got a big stove on the top of his garage. But anyway, that about wraps it up, and all I have to do is rake up all the trash that's around, and I take my chainsaw somewhere to get it fixed. It doesn't want to start, so there's no telling what it is. I hope it's nothing major. Anyway, But that about takes care of it. And here we are. We are all done. It is all picked up. I've got all the trash raked up, hauled off. All the brush is gone. The neighbor, he just left about 5 minutes ago. I went ahead and just kind of broadcasted the old sawdust. It'll break down, turn into fertilizer. Just like it did, just like after the ice storm of 2009 where I cut everything up. Everything was really green around all the trees where all the sawdust had broke everything up. But this is all done. Hopefully nothing else falls out of a tree before I get my saw fixed anyway. And the next project, maybe when it quits raining long enough for the yard to dry, I can mow. But anyways, that's another video. But thanks for watching.